So hey guys, this is Harnoor, a software engineer in the US, and today I'll be giving you a tour of my room as well as of my setup. So let's get started. So I've spent my last 3 years of my life on this $9 chair as well as on that $40 table, but now time has changed. First of all, thank you so much to FlexiSpot for sending me this table and chair. I'm very excited to open it. So let's go. Wow, it's white. Office chair cut top. This is the base and शायद support. आजा पे ये टेबल का बेस है. Install transmission rod.
ये कैसे घुसाएगा? हाँ सही है. ये एक रुक जा पहले. ये अंदर आ जाएगा. इसको अंदर ही असेंबल करना पड़ेगा. ई वाला स्टूल और डी वाला ये होगा. मेरे पाँव.
मेरे भी पाँव. अब फ्लिप करना है. बहुत भारी काम है यार.
आजा बाहर निकल पाएगा.
सॉरी ठीक है.
देख तो कंफर्ट कैसा चाहिए? आगे चाहिए पीछे चाहिए?
आगे चाहिए.
पीछे ले ले क्योंकि इसके अंदर वो एंगल है. कहाँ लगेगा ये? अच्छा ये हेड का है. सर क्या है?
बाद में हो जाएगा, पहले एक लगा लेते हैं.
सर का है ये.
एकदम नीचे होगा. हमने कहा
कोई ना. हाँ ये खुल गया. थोड़ा सा खुल गया. अब स्क्रू कस.
So welcome to my house. So the moment you'll enter my room, you will see this shelf. But first of all, let me tell you, जहाँ पे मैं पहले रहता था, before I used to pay $400 per month rent. Now I pay $800 per month rent for this entire floor. It is a little bit surprising and even overwhelming for me. Now the moment you'll enter, you will see this shelf. Over here you will see all the gadgets that I have bought myself. So this does not belong to Freelanta. These are all the things that I've bought from my own money, and these are the things that I came to college with. So this is the laptop gifted to me by uncle and aunt back 4 years ago, and 4 to 5 years ago, and this is the phone with which I came to US or came to college with, gifted to me by my grandmother. around 12,000 rupees. So I'm very proud, and this always gives me inspiration every single day as compared to any quotes by Bill Gates या फिर Steve Jobs. So I don't believe in quotes. I believe in things that I've achieved. And here comes my lens correction. This is the lens that I use for photography. This is for vlogging, and I'm currently shooting with the 16mm f1.4 lens, all by Sony, and this is my camera bag that I got for free. Now let's take a look at the gym. So every day we work out. We cannot go to the gym right now because it is 15 to 20 minutes far. Arpit can, मतलब मुझे pay करने पड़ेंगे. I will have to pay $200 for next 4 months, so I don't want to pay. So that's why we have constructed our home gym, and this is the medicine ball. क्या कहते हैं?
Medicine ball.
Medicine ball, and on this side we have other gym equipment as well. So pretty much we have, इसे क्या कहते हैं लक्ष्य?
Resistance band.
So this gives a perfect full body workout to us. And now moving on this side, यहाँ पे पहले TV होता था. So the TV didn't work. It was a giant TV in the beginning, but we gave it to the Goodwill. So there are 3 backpacks here. This is the backpack which I take for biking. This one for office, and that's for hiking. And now let's move on with some other gym equipment we have. This is abs roller on this side. And now moving on with kitchen. So every day I eat cereals in the morning. So you can see all of my cereals here, and I mix my cereals with some oats. On this fridge you can see chota mota saman. So the main kitchen is downstairs for sure, but every day agar thoda bahut saman fridge mein nahi aata niche, so we put the remaining stuff in this fridge. कल की करी पड़ी हुई है, and some smoothie mix. मूंगफली, protein bars. ये पहले ही पड़ा था. Anyways, now finally let's enter the room. And before even entering the room, I forgot about the living area. So on this area, I sit every day and code. So every day whenever sun comes up, like I love to bask in the sun. तो यहाँ पे धूप पड़ती है. So I love to code sometimes here. And whenever I stress out, I do massage, neck massage and back massage. It always relaxes me out. And now let's enter the room. Okay, so now finally welcome to my room. Alexa, bedroom on.
Okay.
So now first thing first, this is the most important part of my setup, that is a standing desk, and it is a necessity for all of us because we are currently working from home. So ever since I got this standing desk, from the last 2 and 3 weeks, my standing record on my Apple Watch has drastically changed. Every day I stand up for 14 hours every single day consistently. So what I do is after lunch or after dinner or after every 1 hour of sitting, I try to stand and work. Kabhi coding karna or programming. So this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro that I use for my office or for work, and this is the 15-inch MacBook Pro that I use to edit all my videos. So currently this is 1.5 years old, but it still does the job pretty well. Now finally talking about this office chair, which is probably one of the most comfortable office chair ever sat on in the last 2 to 3 years. तो बताता हूँ कि first of all, this keeps my back straight and spine straight, and if I want to move my back, I will have to take out the hook from the right side, and then I can move my back to as much level I want to. So it is really comfortable. And also remember, if you will be using the link in the description below, you'll get $15 off on your first purchase of FlexiPod on chair as well as on this standing desk. So definitely try it out. And now talking about the monitor, which is probably one of the best monitor I've used. First of all, this retains the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is important for programmers so that I have vertical pixels. And talking about this button, it comes very handy. So if I'm working during the night, I'll switch it to T mode, but during the day I'll switch it to different mode depending on how much brightness I want. So it is really quick and handy. And on the left side, I'm always using the original adapter for the Type-C for HDMI and USB because I have had bad experiences with the third-party adapters, or you can say the Type-C dongles. So I've always used the original ones to connect with the monitor. Otherwise, the 16-inch MacBook gives a lot of problems. And ये room जो आपको इतना साफ दिख रहा है, usually it is not this clean, and it is just clean for this video. Now moving on with this closet, it is so big that it can fit all the 40 t-shirts that I have got for free in Freelanta. So it's amazing. And on this side, I have the Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combination. My dream would be to get the Apple's Magic keyboard and mouse, but that's really expensive. So this does the job for now. And also for this setup, I have these Sony XM3 wireless headphones, which I never use in-house, but I'm still showing you for the video. But I only use it during travel for noise cancellation. जब भी मतलब flight में I need to edit some videos, I use it all the time. But during the home, I'm really satisfied with the speakers on the 16-inch MacBook Pro as well as on the 15-inch Mac Pro. They are pretty good. So that's all for the tour, and in one of my pocket I always keep my iPhone 11. As you can already see, I'm locked with the ecosystem, and in the other pocket I have my Pixel 4a with the Vodafone SIM and Pixel Buds because I always carry them for workouts. So that's it for the video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. And on this side is the bathroom, shower area, sink.